Hi, so welcome to the product demo for Vedak. Vedak is a one-stop shop for hiring business consultants from anywhere in the world. Our USP is to hire the right experts at right prices, and essentially we are able to do this by building a product, completely automated product for searching and onboarding experts. So let's get into it. Let's first look at one of the expert requests that we have received from one of the clients. So our clients want to speak to somebody who has from the telecom industry who has understanding of the data center market. He should have worked for AT&T in the USA and he has experience in products like hosting and managed services. And the mix of the products essentially, or rather, the questions essentially tells us that this they want to look at somebody from a sales profile at a senior position. So let's go back and I'll enter my email ID where I want to receive the summarized list of suggested experts. In the industry is data center. The functional area is basically sales, and the location is United States as suggested by the clients themselves. Now the company, of course, is AT&T, which they have preferred. The expert should be in either the top management or in the senior management in AT&T, and they should not be currently working in AT&T because there might be a conflict of interest. And they should have some recent knowledge. So basically, anybody who has exited before 2014 is not the right profile. So we'll try to make a search, and we'll wait. I think for some time till we get so it's asking us to wait for 10 minutes. But in the meantime, let's take a look at what a similar query on LinkedIn will look like. So, for example, if you do data center and sales and the top management in LinkedIn for AT&T in United States, you get around 3,000 profiles. And we should bear in mind that AT&T is actually a telecom company and data centers is just one of the divisions. So it will be a nightmare for you to search or any person to manually search through all these profiles and see who fit the bill in data centers and who has not exited before 2014. So there's a lot of manual work involved, and let's see how our product fares up against this. I think we should have received a response. So the another thing that I wanted to highlight is that it is not purely a search based on the data centers, basically of the keyword data center. It'll also be looking at other keywords like managed hosting, managed services, hosting, cloud, etc., which are related to data centers. So it keeps learning as each and every new request comes in. So we have got our response, and let's see. Let's just take a sample profile. Let's say the first one. So Hollywood is regional sales director right now. Let's see what her relevant profile in AT&T is. So she left AT&T in 2016, which seems fine. Was managing the application hosting and portfolio. So seems like a good profile, and definitely we would want to get in touch with her and see if she'll be interested in consulting with us. So yeah, I mean this kind of illustrates how a particular job, or rather how a particular expert request, which might have taken a person sitting in front of the computer almost a day or two to figure out. The system is able to suggest some four such profiles very quickly. Now this is the first stage of our automation. The next stage where we want to basically do is let the clients put this in plain text, and we'll be able to extract the industry, the company, the main keywords like hosting, managed services, etc. So we'll be able to automate and generate a query ourselves and search for experts. So this the entire automation actually fundamentally transforms the economics of the business, and it enables us to price our experts at a price point where a lot of new companies can start using these services, and we are definitely very hopeful of that. Happy to discuss more if you want to. Thanks for your time.